Welcome to Review Rumble. The best 3-inch orbital polisher is probably one of the most versatile tools in a car enthusiast's arsenal, capable of delivering a professional-grade finish right in your own driveway. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or just starting out, this compact powerhouse can tackle everything from removing swirl marks and scratches to applying waxes and sealants with unparalleled ease and precision. Its smaller size allows for incredible maneuverability, making it perfect for intricate areas and smaller vehicles where larger polishers might struggle, ultimately saving you time and effort while achieving stunning results. Number 5. Chemical Guy's TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. Introducing the TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit, your all-in-one solution for vehicle detailing. This comprehensive 9-piece set has everything you need to restore gloss and remove imperfections. Experience smooth, controlled polishing with its powerful 700W motor and 8mm orbital throw. It's safe for all your vehicle's surfaces, including paint, clear coat, and even headlights. Effortlessly eliminate light scratches, swirls, and oxidation. Achieve a showroom-quality finish with enhanced depth and gloss. Designed for comfort and ease of use, its ergonomic design and balanced weight make it perfect for extended use. Get professional-grade results, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. This kit provides all the essential pads, polishes, and compounds you need. Tackle compounding, polishing, and finishing without purchasing additional products. Achieve professional-grade correction for your vehicle's paint, clear coat, and headlights. Help every car achieve a deep, glossy finish with precision control. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who want everything in one box. It includes the polisher, pads, and compounds needed to get started right away. If you are a beginner looking for a complete starter solution or a pro who wants a convenient all-in-one package, this is the one for you. What people say. The TORQX dual-action polisher boasts a 680W motor and an 8mm dual-action orbital throw, providing consistent power and control. Designed for both beginners and seasoned detailers, the TORQX polisher boasts a 680W motor and an 8mm dual-action orbital throw, providing consistent power and control. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue, making long detailing sessions more comfortable. The unit itself is built very well. It is a very sturdy and well-balanced machine. What I'm referring to is that, even on the lowest setting, you can handle this machine with one hand. Number 4. Chemical Guy's TORQX Dual Action Polisher. Achieve professional-grade paint correction with ease. This tool safely removes swirls, scratches, and oxidation, restoring your vehicle's gloss and depth. Its random orbital design minimizes the risk of paint damage, making it safe for beginners yet powerful enough for experts. Experience balanced performance with a powerful 700W motor. Its lightweight 4.7 pounds design ensures comfortable use during extended detailing sessions. The 8mm Orbit technology provides efficient defect removal while maintaining precise control for flawless polishing on any paint system. This versatile tool works with various pads and products, perfect for applying compounds, polishes, and waxes for a professional finish. Enjoy comfortable operation with its ergonomic, lightweight build. Reduced fatigue means smoother, more controlled detailing every time. What we like. If you're looking for a polisher that's comfortable to use for extended periods, this is a great choice. Its lightweight design and powerful motor make paint correction less fatiguing. It's ideal for anyone who values comfort and efficiency during detailing sessions. What people say. The polisher was easy to use and control. It's a perfect size and it's a great value. I really appreciate how light it is compared to other polishers I use. The results removing the swirls on my car were amazing. Improvements on the paint were immediate and so satisfying. The polisher is not too heavy, speed settings are good, the Velcro attachments held solidly, the pads are top quality and the VSS swirl remover worked remarkably well. Number 3. Chemical Guy's TORQ 10FX Random Orbital Polisher. Experience professional-grade power and precision with this tool. It's designed for both seasoned professionals and passionate car enthusiasts alike. Easily adapt to any detailing task. You can switch between different pad sizes and adjust speeds for ultimate versatility. Take full command with its onboard digital speed adjustment and display. This ensures precise control over the powerful 700W motor. Enjoy a comfortable and easy user experience. Its updated grips and balanced weight distribution make maneuvering a breeze. Work with confidence thanks to its built-in mechanical safety features. These protect your paintwork, even on the most sensitive areas. This versatile tool is safe for a wide range of vehicles. Use it confidently on cars, trucks, SUVs, and many other surfaces. What we like. For those who demand precision and control, this polisher with its digital display is a standout. It allows for exact speed adjustments, ensuring you always have the right setting for the job. If you appreciate fine-tuning your tools for optimal results, this is the polisher you should consider. What people say. The controls on the buffer are easy to use and offer a variety of speeds to meet your needs. Absolutely love how balanced this unit is. No need to use the attachable handle even on my original 2006 CR-V paint job. This is my first DA polisher and I have to say that so far I love it. Very easy to use for beginners. Number 2. GEVEELIFE 1600W Rotary Car Buffer Polisher. Experience the robust 1600W motor that ensures smooth and quiet operation. It effortlessly tackles oxidation, scratches, and stains, restoring your car's shine quickly. Plus, its constant power control prevents overheating, allowing for extended use. Achieve perfect results with 7 adjustable speed settings. Tailor the speed to different car paints and polishing needs, from delicate tasks to heavy-duty cleaning. This makes every polishing process more efficient and effective. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, this tool is designed for comfort. It features detachable D handles and side handles to suit various grip preferences. The safety switch lock keeps your chosen speed engaged, reducing fatigue during use. This versatile tool comes with everything you need for optimal polishing, including sponge pads, wool pads, and sandpapers. It's also perfect for use on furniture, floors, boats, marble, wood, and metal. Achieve professional-grade car care right at home. Save time and money by using this buffer polisher for all your detailing needs. We stand by our product with a 2-year warranty. Our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions or issues within 24 hours. What we like. This polisher is built for power and versatility. With its robust motor and multiple speed settings, it can tackle a wide range of tasks beyond just cars, like furniture and boats. If you need a heavy-duty machine for various surfaces and demanding jobs, this is the tool for you. What people say. It's got serious power, 1600W is no joke, and the 7 speed settings give me full control whether I'm doing a light polish or tackling some deeper scratches. The variable speed range, 1000 to 3500 revolutions per minute, lets you really dial it in depending on the job, which makes a big difference when switching between cars, boats, or even doing some sanding. The detachable handle is a nice touch too, makes it way more comfortable to hold and maneuver, especially during longer sessions. I also like that you can switch between 6 and 7 pads depending on the area you're working on. Has a trigger lock to help avoid fatigue of holding the button down. Very little vibration, and it seems to cut and level quite effectively. Number 1. AVID Power 5-inch 6-inch Dual Action Polisher. Experience the power of our dual action polisher, designed to effortlessly remove swirls, scratches, and defects. It brings back your vehicle's original shine with a lower risk of paint damage compared to traditional rotary polishers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this tool makes detailing quick and easy. Its less aggressive nature ensures a safer experience, minimizing the chance of damaging your car's paint. Achieve perfect results with 6 levels of variable speed, ranging from 2700 to 6500 OPM. Adjust the speed for waxing, polishing, cleaning, or removing paint defects and oxidation. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with the adjustable D handle and rubberized body, preventing slips and drops. Its versatility extends beyond cars, making it suitable for furniture, ceramic, wood, and metal surfaces. This comprehensive kit includes the dual action polisher, various foam pads and discs for 5 and 6-inch applications, a detachable D handle, and all necessary tools for immediate use. What we like. This polisher offers a great balance of ease of use and effectiveness. Its dual-action design makes it safe for beginners, while the variable speed and adjustable handle cater to professional needs. If you're a beginner looking for a safe yet capable tool, or a pro wanting a comfortable and versatile option, this is a solid pick. What people say. Its 7A motor 2100 to 5000 revolutions per minute is significantly more powerful. The 174's more powerful motor combined with the longer throw and dual action appears to make it more effective with both polish and wax without bogging down under load. On-off control on the 174 is via a positive clicking and lockable trigger on the handle, and the speed selector on is a rotary switch with 7 to 10 positions, min, 1 to 6. The 174 offers dual-action long throw motion, both rotating and eccentric action. The description says 21 mm of throw, but after measuring, I found that this is to each side, so the buffing polishing pad will move a generous 42 mm from center as you work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.